all these different people together in one place to discuss this common thread of manufacturing. It's a pretty incredible thing to be a part of.
You get so hung up in the day-to-day stuff at times. And being hung up in the day-to-day stuff means you never get out enough at times to see stuff. Getting involved with FMA gives you an opportunity to become more involved with your contemporaries and other people that do the same thing as you do without being in a confrontational situation.
Coming to an event such as this really opens up our eyes that the issues we're reading about in the newspaper, about labor shortages, economy growth, whatever it may be, they're real. And together we can really help each other alleviate some of those challenges.
No one's guarded, if you will. Folks aren't necessarily looking at us as a vendor that's wanting to sell them something. I mean, these are just deep, enriched conversations about truly what is happening in their organizations. Because again, that provides valuable insights for us.
Every time I come to one of these meetings, I learn things that I never knew existed in our industry.
We're covering topics from selling your business to the economics of global economy to employee training. I mean, it just goes all over the road. If you're paying your way to come to this meeting and you can hear consultants that would have cost you, 10 times what you would have had to pay, a one-on-one basis to come to your shops, and this is a bargain.
Fabricators and Manufacturers Association annual meeting, a must attend.
It's a great conference, great location, lots of customers here. It's well worth the while, having a great time.
This is my first time at the meeting. It's been a great place to connect with people in the industry. And
anything that you want to learn about the industry, you can learn about that right here.
Okay, so once again, the annual meeting is a huge success. I can't wait to see what I won from the nuts, bolts, and thingamajigs auction.
Meet the people, see the faces, and if you continue to come and continue to be involved in the organization, in the FMA, you develop relationships that, for me, have been career-long relationships that I still utilize to this day and plan on utilizing way in the future.
Be conversationalist when you're here. You got to talk with people. That's the biggest thing, and you got to be willing to listen and share. Share your own experiences.
I can't imagine any more valuable couple days in the manufacturing business than an event like this. I mean, where else can you get this type of an education in such a short period of time? I think it's extremely valuable.